Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if you can hear me over the airplane. Safe flight to those guys. Welcome back to another episode of Crushin Gears. My name's Cody if you're new to the channel. It's nice to see all the returning subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. If you do want some merch, link is in the description below. 10% off just for you beautiful people. And well, we got the car fully PPF'd, legit the full car. So I'm going to take you guys into a montage, and I just want to give a shout out to GTA in Detail on Instagram. I'll put a link in the description below. Check them out if you guys ever need your car PPF'd. They do amazing jobs. This is now the 4th or 5th car with them, and they kill it every time. But look at this in the sun. Does it get better than that? No. Let's go for a ride. Let's check this thing out. Oh, this thing is beautiful in the sun. Doors up. Top mount, exit exhaust, all the carbon fiber. We're gonna do a video in depth with this very, very soon. But without further ado, after the montage, let's go for a ride. Yeah? Okay, stay tuned.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Straight away. Alright. Strong pull. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, wow. Wow. That's incredible. The pulls are so strong from the turbos. I wish you guys could experience this for yourself. This is incredible. This is legit the fastest car I've ever been in. I've been in some pretty quick cars.
Oh, that was good.
I don't know if you guys can see that on the video. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the car vibrates so much from the exhaust that the glass literally shakes. That's crazy. Just a casual vet. Check out the RX-7. Oh, this thing looks so beautiful under the sun. Guys, they have an Evo in the showroom. This thing's sick. This is so much better than the Performante. Got my buddy's old Performante Spider. Love this color. And he did this truck for me. Guys, this is like probably one of my favorite colors on a Lamborghini. This blue is so nice. I don't even know if the lighting is working properly with the camera and all, but my god. This is an odd color, but this is so sick. This color. It's like a magenta, I don't know, maybe, I mean, you guys could probably tell me I'm wrong, but it's like a dark purple. This thing is sick. Not a big fan of the body kit, but my god. As you guys know, I'm not a huge Aston fan, but maybe some of you guys are. I don't even know the models, but they look kind of cool. And of course, we got the 600. This is such a six-pack. Guys, this is such a six-pack on this Aventador S Roadster. Oh my god. Like, this is like perfect spec. So whoever spec this can spec a car really well. Check out the color. It's like a light baby blue. Got the aluminum colored rims, which not many people do nowadays, and I'm so stoked this person did it because it looks so much classier, so much better. Got all the carbon fiber, and you got a white interior. That's sick. This is such a nice spec. Got the new exhaust. Guys, this Lamborghini, I don't even know what model this is. This is sick.
I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on memory.
We're gonna get my first driving reaction in this car. Oh, I can't wait. The seats are so comfortable.
On trigger?
This thing is crazy.
Open the speed limit.
That's the most addicting thing about these cars. It's nice and snug. Really can't get out of position in this car. This thing just wants to go quick. Oh, those pops, guys. This car just pushes you back into the seat. It's incredible. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the car. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. There will be more videos coming shortly on the channel with this car. We're going to do in-depth detail of all the options and all of that stuff. But for now, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. That was my first driving experience with the car. And let me tell you, the thing is a beast. Best car I've ever driven. So if you guys like that video, make sure to crush that like button. Crush that subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.